Most people get this wrong, and end up stuck in a loop of login errors and expired activation pages when trying to set up Hulu through Verizon. Here's the truth no one tells you. The problem is not your account, it's the activation path and how Verizon bundles your subscription in 2026. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to activate Hulu with Verizon, step by step, how to confirm if you even have the Hulu perk included, and how to fix the most common activation issues in minutes. By the end, you'll be streaming without errors or confusion. Let's get straight into it. First, you need to confirm your Verizon plan includes Hulu. Open your Verizon account in the My Verizon app or website. Go to your add-ons or entertainment section. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some plans include Hulu Basic for free, while others require you to manually claim it. If you skip this step, the activation link will never work properly. Next, find the activation email or banner inside your Verizon account. Look for something that says, Start Hulu subscription, or Activate your Disney bundle. Tap it. This will redirect you to Hulu's official activation page. Now here's the key step most people miss. Do not create a new Hulu account first. Instead, choose Activate through Partner, and select Verizon. Then log in using your Verizon credentials. This links both accounts instantly. At this point, Hulu will ask you to either create a new profile or link an existing one. If you already had Hulu before, use the same email. If not, just create a new profile on the spot. But here's the problem some users face. The page sometimes loops or fails to load. If that happens, clear your browser cache or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and retrieve the activation link. That fixes it in most cases. Once activated, download the Hulu app on your phone, smart TV, or streaming device. Log in with the same credentials you used during activation. Everything should now be unlocked and ready to stream. Quick recap. Confirm your Verizon plan includes Hulu. Use the activation link inside Verizon. Sign in through the partner option. Do not create a separate Hulu account first. And fix any errors by refreshing or switching networks. You are now fully set up and ready to stream Hulu through Verizon without paying extra or dealing with login issues. If this helped, like the video, drop a comment with where you got stuck, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides like this.